Hello students, my name is Navid Kumar Sharma and welcome to again APIC platform. Okay, in my previous class we are discussing differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Okay students, and in my today's topic is differentiation by trigonometric transformation. Okay my students, first we have take some questions like this. Question number first, if y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon sin x, find dy upon dx. Okay, my students, you know very well in some formulas of trigonometry in class 11th. Okay, but we are discussing another time. So, solution cos x 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 sin x. This is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay students, these are two trigonometric formulas of submultiples and you know very well in class 11. So take this help. Now we solve this question. Okay my students, y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Okay? And another step, y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Here plus 1 is cancelled to minus 1. Okay my students? Tan inverse 2 sin square x by 2 2 से 2 cancel. Another step, tan inverse sin square x by 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Here sin x by 2 is cancelled to sin x by 2. Okay? Just note down this students. This is tan inverse sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Okay my students? And what do you mean by tan x by sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2? This is tan x by 2. Okay my students? Tan inverse tan x by 2 is equal to x by 2. Okay? Now we are collecting y is equal to x by 2. Okay? Then we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we will write differentiate the function with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x both sides. Again we are applying operator d upon dx of y is equal to d upon dx of x by 2. Okay, d upon dx of y. In my previous class already we are saying this is a dy upon dx. And here 1 by 2 is a constant. So first we will write 1 by 2, then d upon dx of x. Okay my students, just note down this question. dy upon dx 1 x की power 1 minus 1 this is equal to 1 by 2 and answer is dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2. Note there students. I think you are noted. Okay. So this is a very simple question of trigonometric inverse transformation. Okay students. We have taken some another examples. Question number 2. If y is equal to tan inverse cos x upon sin x cos x tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, then we have find dy upon dx. Okay my students. There is solution. Students, you are know very well in trigonometric class 11th. This is an expression of trigonometric function, and in your previous year or class 11th, many of teachers are saying when just you see this expression cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, just you will divide always cos theta. Okay, आपको जब भी ये एक्सप्रेशन दिखाई दे cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, आप हमेशा cos theta it means cos x का डिवाइड लगाएंगे. ओके, cos x upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x cos x upon cos x sin x upon cos x. Okay my students, now here is cos x is cutted by cos x. This is 1 sin x upon cos x. It means tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Okay my students. In another step, tan inverse 1 minus tan x 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x into 1. Here is we are taking some take. This is a into 1. Okay, my students? Now we are applying 1. This is 10 pi by 4 minus 10x. 1 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Okay, students? Now we are applying formula of some compound multiples in class 11. What is compound formula of tangent? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay? And I think you learned very well. This is tan inverse pi by 4 minus x. This is comparing to compound by formula of tangent tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here is tan pi by 4 minus x. Now this is pi by 4 minus x is equal to y. Again, just you will differentiate with respect to x. So we will take or we will write differentiate with respect to x both sides. Okay, my students? Now we are applying for operator d upon dx of y, d upon dx of pi by 4 minus x. And d upon dx of y, this is dy upon dx, d upon dx of pi by 4, d upon dx of x, pi by 4. This is a constant because this is a we are differentiating with respect to x, and here is no content of x or variable of x, so this is a constant. And we know that differentiation of constant is 0, and x 1 minus 1. This is 1 x to the power 0 is equal to minus 1. dy upon dx is equal to minus 1. This is your answer. So just first you will write it. Okay. Now we take another example. Okay, students. Now we take another two very interesting questions for your braining of knowledge. Okay, my students. Question number 3. If y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x, then we will find dy upon dx. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने अपनी बुक्स वगैरह में देखा होगा कि जब भी 1 प्लस साइन एक्स और अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन एक्स लिखा होता है तो मोस्ट ऑफ रीडर टीचर्स इस साइन एक्स को कॉस में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है, और फिर उस क्वेश्चन को वो सॉल्व करवाते हैं। बट हम लोग जो है इस टाइप से नहीं करेंगे। हम लोगों ने जो क्लास 11th में सीखा है, ठीक है ना, उसी के हेल्प से, ठीक है ना, ऑलरेडी वी आर लर्न इन क्लास 11th what do you mean by sin x, okay, or you will prove in class 11th 1 plus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So this question will be solved by class 11th trigonometric help. One plus sin x. Here is one. We will write it always. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Here is sin x. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay? And 1 minus sin x. Sorry students. This is your a square plus b square plus 2ab. You will write it in compiled form cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 ka whole square. Okay students? Now we will use denominator 1 minus sin x. First you will write it cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Students, always you will remember when you will see 1 minus sin x, you will always write it, this is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 का होल स्क्वायर। आप ऐसी कभी भी, जब कभी भी आप 1 माइनस साइन एक्स देखेंगे, आप cos x by 2 माइनस sin x by 2 का होल स्क्वायर ही लिखेंगे। याद रखिएगा, अगर आप sin x by 2 माइनस cos x by 2 का होल स्क्वायर लिख भी देते हैं तो गलत नहीं है, बट आपका जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का मोटो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा। इसीलिए सो यू विल राइट ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज 1 माइनस sin x इज इक्वल टू cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 का होल स्क्वायर। Okay students, I think you will understand, and always you will learn 1 minus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 का whole square, and 1 plus sin x, this is your choice, either you will learn cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 का whole square or sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 का whole square. It's your choice. Okay my students, now we will take this portion and this portion. There is. Okay students, now we will use or we will substitute 1 plus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 का whole square upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 का whole square. Okay students, square and there is under root, so tan inverse is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. ओके माय स्टूडेंट्स, अब देखिए आपने अब इस बात को समझा होगा. नाउ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग this question will be already I will solve in previous question. So just you will take a last method. Now we will divide cos x by 2. Okay. Okay students, in my previous question, just you solve, there is cos x by 2 is divided by cos x by 2, this is 1, and sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. Okay students, आपको मैंने इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में भी इसका आपको एक तरीका बताया था. आप क्या करेंगे कि जब भी आपको c plus s upon c minus s, it means cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x, or cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. When we will see this expression of trigonometry, u is always divided by cos theta, and theta is depending on your question. Okay, here is theta is x by 2, so we will divide it cos x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is equal to 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. Okay students, yes. Now y is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay students, this is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now we will write it differentiate with respect to x. Both sides. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, both sides. Okay my students. Again we are applying operator d upon dx of y, d upon dx of pi 4 plus x by 2. This is dy upon dx. Pi 4 is a constant, and this is 1 by 2. Okay students. And answer is 1 by 2. Okay students, I think you will enjoy in my class. Now we will take another class in this another question, and we will take for another question. Okay students, thank you very much.